Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Nizamabad location. It is from Telangana. Let us see what are the job openings in detail. Firstly, there is a job opening for sales executive in Automotive Manufacturers Private Limited. Coming to the job description, key purpose will be the sales consultant is responsible for selling new vehicles with the objective of achieving value and customer satisfaction standards and assist customers in determining vehicle needs and completing financing paperwork wherever applicable, and build customer loyalty and increase customer satisfaction through professionalism, trustworthiness, sincerity, positive attitude, and a business like appearance. These are the job responsibilities, and if you see the desired skills and experience required, those are provided here. You can please check once. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for BPO non-voice in Palette Interactive Private Limited. Coming to the job description, nature of the job is BPO or BPA, and coming to the desired candidate profile, like the candidate must be very good hardworking and must have very good communicational skills and must be willing to work for 6 days and must be willing to work on 100% target basis. Coming to the qualifications required, like a graduate or postgraduate, and the freshers also eligible for this job role. And coming to the job type, it will be a full time, and there will be a rotational shift. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for customer relationship executive in Automotive Manufacturers Private Limited. Coming to the job description, like they are looking for a fresher or experienced female graduates with good communicational skills and with good knowledge in Excel and MS Office, and associate with telecalling background or preferable. This is about the job description, qualifications required, and coming to the job type, it will be a full time, and salary ranges from 10,000 per month. And coming to the benefits, like here they are provided, cell phone reimbursement, health insurance, and internet reimbursement, leave encashment, and provident fund. And it will be a day shift. And coming to the supplemental pay, they will pay a yearly bonus. And coming to the experience required, 1 year of experience is preferred in customer service, and it will be a total work. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for marketing executive in V Promotes Private Limited, and it will be a full-time job role or internship. And coming to the salary, it will ranges from 25,000 to 40,000 per month. And coming to the benefits, like they will pay cell phone reimbursement, and it will be a morning shift. Coming to the supplemental pay, like performance bonus. And coming to the education required, like bachelor's degree is preferred. And if you see the experience required, like 3 years of experience required in lead generation and 2 years of experience in marketing, and total 3 years of work experience is preferred, and the English language is preferred. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for junior doctor in Happy Dental Hospital, and if you see the job responsibilities, like experienced female dentist to work full time at a clinic, and she is expected to work with patients and discuss their dental concerns and plan treatments alongside performing all general dental procedures. And coming to the job type, it will be a full time, and salary ranges from 10,000 to 20,000 per month, and it will be a day shift. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for sales manager in Swiggy, and if you see the desired candidate profile, like graduate with 2 years plus work experience in sales domain, good working knowledge and experience of e-commerce activities and all online marketing channels, and the candidate should be confident, pleasing and a go-getter personality, and effective communication skills, attitude and aptitude for sales, and should be a team player and working alongside people from all walks of life, and the candidate should have analytical and good Excel skills. This is about the desired candidate profile. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description box. Coming to the last one, there is a job opening for service delivery officer in Kotak Mahindra. If you see the job role, like handling personalized service requests of customers, generation of timely business, and ensuring strict adherence to compliance, audit and regulatory requirements for customer segment, coordination with CPC or RPC or investment desks for account opening of customers, managing complaints of customers and ensuring their resolution within time. This is the job role. And coming to the job requirements, like developing and maintaining banking relationships with a select group of high net worth customers, excellent communicational skills with customer service orientation, courteous and polite, and good knowledge of Microsoft Excel, and understanding of banking norms and processes. These are the job requirements. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description box. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.